What are the plans that MasterCard has that they are not telling us yet about crypto? Make sure to like and subscribe to Mike B Crypto. Now, the crypto space lit up late Wednesday when news broke that MasterCard was expanding its scope of digital currency support. MasterCard said in a blog post that it was moving to enable its systems to facilitate payments in the form of stablecoins directly to merchants who accept them. Now, why is this important? These are plans within plans. You have big giant credit card companies like MasterCard and Visa. They understand what crypto is about. They are enabling you to use your credit card and the merchant to actually settle in stable coins. Now, if you don't think they have permission to do this or wouldn't go to the government to allow this, you guys are crazy. These things are happening right in front of our eyes. These are plans within plans. And you know what? You might not even notice on the back end. Say the person who pays with their cryptocurrency that quote unquote doesn't believe in cryptocurrencies and it's a scam and they don't know if they're going to lose their money or it's used for drugs. Well, apparently MasterCard thinks that cryptocurrencies are good enough for you to use your credit card at the salon, at the grocery store, getting gas. Does that sound like a scam to you now? No. Plans within plans. I Mike B Crypto. Make sure to like and subscribe.